TG Machine is proud of the machine design with sanitary and easy washing structure for gummy candy with CBD or THC or vitamin and minerals. It is an ideal equipment to produce good quality gummies with the saving of both the manpower and the space occupied. Optional with touchscreen, servo, and PLC for automatic operation. One-shot system can make one color, two-color, or multicolored and center-filled gummy candy by changing the manifold and nozzles. The complete line was designed according to pharmaceutical machine standard, higher-level sanitary structure design and fabrication. It conforms with CE, UL, and FDA standard.